Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I have another affordable housing listing for you guys, and this one is for 10 million Jamaican dollars, and it's located in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Now this one is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and it will be suitable for a big-sized family or a growing family. It's 1,200 square feet, and I will leave all the information for the realtor in the description box, and I'll also show it on the screen later in the video. So if you're interested in that one, keep on watching, and when the video is finished, you can reach out to the realtor. Now, as you can see, this apartment seems to be in a fairly, decent complex where there's space for, children to play, and there's different, natural environments and it seems like a quiet environment. So as we step into the apartment here, you'll see it opens up, it goes straight into the living room area. You will have some, renovations that you'll need to do with this one, but it's not in the worst condition at all. All right, so the kitchen definitely needs some work, as we will see shortly. But here you have this average size, it's probably a little smaller living room, but it's an apartment, so they're usually smaller than a house living room. So you do have like a little that window there that brings in a lot of natural light, and you get a nice view of outside and so forth. So here's the kitchen that I wanted to talk about. Yeah, kitchen needs lots of work, lots of work. Maybe you'd want to go in to also add like more cabinetry. I would definitely do that for sure. But yeah, the kitchen is where the renovations and the bathroom is expected to be, which is usually like that's the most common things with these homes that need renovations. As you can see, you seem to have like a little half bath situation right there, and you also have a washroom area, so you could put your washing machine around here, and you do have like a sink here to do your laundry indoors at the apartment. Also is Sandra Forbes. All right, and you can find her at Sandra_Forbes at sagicor.com, and her number was also on the screen a while ago, so you can message her. I'll put all the information, all the links to the listings in the description box below. I'll give her information again in the description box, so guys, please just check the description box. So you see lots of green areas, on this apartment complex. So really good one. I do not discriminate about areas. That's just not me. If you want a 10 million listing and you guys have been requesting the 10 million listings, I will do it. So as I said, you guys, I don't discriminate with areas. Like, a lot of persons message me and they need something for 10 million. They can't go over 10 million. So if I find something that's 10 million and I see where it's decent enough, I'm going to show it to you guys so that you guys can have the opportunity to jump on this one. Like, you never know. I always say, like, this could be like a dream come true for someone. This could be what they've been waiting to hear. So I'm going to show the homes, and I hope you guys like find it beneficial and helpful, and you guys can reach out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification. But that's like I said, notification bell. Yeah, the notification bell. And thank you guys for watching, and until my next video, bye guys.